What, baby?
Me.
There's my youngest boy, Lazarus. How old are you, Lazarus?
3.
3? Show me how many is 3.
I'm downloading Google Earth.
And then my oldest boy, Lasias, being mad at the world. He's so mad right now. He's just so mad.
You're mad. You're mad. You're mad.
Do that again.
And then my oldest boy, Danny. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. How old are you? Show me. How old are you? 3? Show me. Let me see. Show me. Show me. This many. Show me how old you are. Put that finger down.
You just said how old I is. You want to show? You just ask him to show you how old. How old is he? How old are you? Where? Let me see the fingers. Where? 3?
How old are you? Messias? How old are you? No, you're 4, not 3.